Good morning, boys. So I'm going to talk to you about options. So for computing and IT, we've got one option, and that's the Cambridge National in Creative iMedia. Myself and Miss Noreen teach this qualification. Now, it's over 2 years, boys. It's for year 10 and 11. Now, in year 10, we'll be looking at 2 units, and in year 11, we'll be looking at 2 units. So the units that we'll be looking at in year 10 are 085 and are 086, where we create an animation and we create a website. We do have other tasks that go along with the website and the animation. We also, in year 11, we do the exam unit, which is the pre-production skills, and then we look at digital graphics, which is Photoshop. So there's 4 units in total and 2 units for each year. Each unit is worth 25% of the qualification. For each unit, you will get a mark, a raw mark. So it'll either be a pass, a merit, a distinction, or a distinction star. Overall, the qualification is equivalent to 1 GCSE. When I say equivalent, the colleges all accept Cambridge Nationals. So you'll get either pass, merit, distinction, or a distinction star overall at the end of the 2 years. So a lot of the common questions that we get asked are, is it the same as a GCSE? Yeah, it's equivalent. Are they easier? Now, because there's 3 units of coursework and 1 unit of exam, they might be slightly easier than others. But again, it's still 75% is coursework and 25% is the exam. So you will sit an exam. All colleges accept Cambridge Nationals. There's a lot more skills involved when doing a Cambridge National compared to computer science, and a lot of the colleges do accept that you need to understand the different software. There's a lot more jobs out there in terms of software rather than computer science. Computer science is about coding and engineering, whereas iMedia, we look at the different software available. So Photoshop, HTML, we look at Flash animation, we look at digital graphics. So it's more interesting for our pupils. Should you choose it if you want to go for the EBAC? Yes, but you'll only have 1 or 2 other option choices, so make sure that you really love to use to do computing. So why Cambridge National in iMedia? You can do a lot of different things like you could do with any of the other GCSEs. You could go to college, go to 6th form. You could get an apprenticeship. You could go from college then to university, or you could just go for a straight job if you like. You need to be interested in using computers. You need to know how to use computers. You should be able to work independently and be organised and motivated to do the qualification. So if you're interested in computing, you like to use computers, you like using the different types of software, you can work independently, then this is one of the options that you should choose. Thank you, boys.